According to Dr. Robert Milne, we're entering a time where pain is optional. Until now, your doctor has had no tools in his box other than pharmaceuticals and surgery to help mankind deal with physical pain. Dr. Milne was forced on a different path when, as a young doctor, he could find no medical cure for his colicky newborn. After 30 years of turning over stones and looking for new therapies, he's found a technology that eases mankind's pain with no side effects.
What it does is it's picking up, let's just say you have a pain. Let's say you have a pain here. What we didn't know is that there's a signal coming off your skin. We didn't know that. And we didn't know how this device really can work. So we started first, right away, putting the device on this area, and we had this idea that was taking the frequency of the pain, inverting it, keeping and making it more and more, recharging the cells. What we think is happening is we have a normal cell that has a negative 70 millivolts. What's happening is that the protons are being pushed out to keep the cell negative in the inside, negative 70. When you have a damaged cell, you can consider it as a negative 50 millivolts, okay? Think about the connection and the communication between the good cell and the sick cell. What do you think is happening? It can't communicate.
Can't communicate properly. It'd be
very
weak, wouldn't it?
It would be very weak.
Yeah.
And so what does the body tell the brain? It sends a signal to the brain, and the name is pain. So what do we have available as doctors? We have TENS units that can block that signal. We also have drugs that block the signal in the brain.
Right.
You know, the pain medications, right? But what if, just guess what would happen if we had a way to recharge this negative 50 cell, recharge it, recharge it, recharge it, recharge it, and as soon as it gets up to close to 70, what happens to the communication?
Perfect, pain gone.
And what happens to the signal? It goes away.
Yeah, it goes away.
And that's how we think it's working.
Wow. This is a fascinating discussion about pain, its causes, and its remedy. For the full interview, go to ConsciousMediaNetwork.com.